You gotta yield! You gotta yield! For dude!
Không nghe hài. Nổ má nó.
Thấy rồi.
That's why you have good tires on your car, so when you come to a stop, you can stop.
Đây là một cái tình huống rất là nguy hiểm khi mà bạn đậu xe trên đường. Xe bạn chết máy đậu trên đường vào buổi tối. Đây là trên đường này, đường là local thôi, nó cho mình chạy là 60 km/h thôi. Buổi tối. Đó, đụng rồi đó. Thấy chưa? Chiếc xe này đậu. Rồi, đụng quanh chành luôn. Rồi.
Right way. Fuck you! I'm going to Preventative.
ep.org/vote to learn more and be the one.
This is time that matters. A window of time to help protect the ones you love. Your preteen benefits from staying up to date with their well visits. This is your window of protection. Schedule their well visit now.
Oh, dang. Damn. Shit.
But with the second wave of the pandemic here, Bankrate.com senior analyst Mark Hamrick says new numbers don't signal a full recovery.
There's a high level of uncertainty associated with growth in the current quarter, including the risk that consumers spend more time in their homes and less money out and about in the coming
Didn't he
months to
just
avoid the virus.
make a circle?
79,000 new cases were reported yesterday around the country. Doctors in
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.